Now how to balance the equation we will see now. Okay, how to balance the equation. So for example, here we see now atoms of hydrogen in the reactants. Already I told na. So to balance we can take 2 into 2. So H2O. So 2H2O we got. Now 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O. So it is the balanced equation. Understand? So like that they are asking us to write for this also. Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. For example, here you see magnesium oxide formula is only the MgO. Now this compound we cannot change now. Now here oxygens how many are there in the reactant side? 2 are there. Magnesium only 1 is there. But when we see in the product magnesium is 1. Okay, correct. But oxygen when we see only 1 is there. So it is not correct. So how to balance this equation? But magnesium oxide is only the MgO. Okay, we cannot change the compound now. So how to write now? So we can write like this. Mg plus O2, oxygen is always O2 only. So MgO. So we can write like this 2 Mg. Before Mg we can keep the 2. So always magnesium. So 1 only. So here if we keep 2 means this 2 is belong to magnesium and also the oxygen. So here magnesium 2 are there. Oxygen 2 are there. So here also magnesium 2 and oxygen 2. Understand? So this is the way we can write it. So this is the balancing of equation. Please write this one. Write this one in the textbook. Down of that equation. Okay. So the next one. Now let us take some examples of balancing equation. Now we will do some balancing equations. For example, N2 plus H2 gives rise to NH3. In the reactant side, nitrogen how many are there? 2 are there. Hydrogen 2 are there. But when we see NH3, here N is 2 is there, but hydrogen 3 are there. So here coming wrong na? Yes, but ammonia formula is NH3 only. We cannot change this compound. We cannot change the number for hydrogen 3. Understand? So now we cannot write NH2 since here 2 is there. It is wrong. Always NH3 only. Understand? So first step, we draw the box. The second step, element is nitrogen, hydrogen. Number of atoms in the reactants, left hand side how many nitrogen? 2 are there. And hydrogen 2 are there. But number of atoms in the product right hand side, nitrogen 1 is there, but hydrogen 3 is there. So it is not correct. It is okay. Okay. So what we have to do? So in equation 10, this is the equation 10. So the number of nitrogen atoms in the left hand side 2, while it is only on the right hand side. Therefore on the right hand side only 1 is there. Sorry, both are wrong only. Okay. Not equal na number. Yes. Not equal to. So here in the products. So what we have to do? 1 in NH3. Okay. The second step, what we can do here? So N2 plus H2 gives rise to, we can write like this, 2NH3. So that, now how to write this one here? If you, to balance this one, we write now 2NH3. 2NH3. If the 2 is before the compound, this 2 is belong to hydrogen also. Yes, it is belong to the nitrogen also. Understand? So now nitrogens are 2 are there, but hydrogens are increased, 6 became. Now these 2 nitrogens are became to this one, but it is not equal. Hydrogens are not equal. So how to do here? So here when we see in partly balanced equation 2 in H2. To balance 2 into 3 oxygen, 6 in 2NH3. 6 oxygens are there in 2NH3. Okay. So here what we can write means hydrogen is always when we write H2 only. So here also cannot change. But there also cannot change. So what we will do? N2 plus we write before that 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. So here nitrogens are 2, hydrogens are 3 into 2, 6, and then equal to Now 2 is before nitrogen and hydrogen. Na? So nitrogens how many are there? 2 are there. Now hydrogen 2 is belong to N and also H when we keep before the compound. So 2 into 3 is equal to how much? 6. So hydrogens also 6 are here, nitrogen also 2 are here. Always hydrogen we get how much? Diatomic molecule. Understand? In the reactants. So, but ammonia always formula is what? NH3. NH3 you write means what? Ammonia. Understand? So this is the way we balanced the equation. Here some questions are there. Please find out. Now hydrogen plus chlorine. What it can give? It can give the hydrochloric acid. Now how to balance this one? Okay. So hydrogen is only one is here. Okay. Hydrogen plus chlorine. Chlorine is 2 are there. So HCl. Now how to get this product? Hydrogen only one is there. Chlorine 2 are there. So what to do now? We write here 2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. Okay. So when we write the equation, always write in the straight line. Don't break and write. Don't write like this. Na? H plus Cl and down here HCl. No. Same line we should write the equation. So this also you do it. Balance this equation. This also, now you see here CH4 plus O2 reactants. Na? What is the product here we get? Two products we get. Water H2O and CO2 is the carbon dioxide. Now we will see. This is a compound. Na? C is how many? 1. Hydrogen 4. Oxygen 2. In the product when we see hydrogen this side and this side. Hydrogen 2. Oxygen 1. Carbon 1. Oxygen 2. Understand? Sorry, once again. Reactants we write na. Carbon is 1. Hydrogen 4. Oxygen 2. Here when we write products, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1, carbon 1 and oxygen 2. Understand? So here how to balance this one now? Hydrogens here how many are there? Hydrogens here how many are here? 4 are here. But here how many? 2. So hydrogen is not equal. And then we see carbon. Carbon in the reactants how many? 1. But here 1. Okay, it is correct. And oxygen here 2. But here how many are there? 3 are there. So how to balance this equation now? CH4 plus O2. Oxygen is always O2 only. So H2O plus CO2. Understand? So methane is always CH4 only. Methane na, when we write separately H2 only. But it is CH4 means methane. Yes? Now how to balance this equation now? CH4 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. Carbon is correct. Now we have to balance the hydrogen only. Yes? So hydrogen 2 are here, but here 4 are here. Na? So this side what we will do here? So we have to change. Reactants and hydrogen is arrow mark up means more. Na? So it is more. But here it is down. It is less. So what we will do? H2 before we will add 2. So 2H2. So in the product also we got now 4. So hydrogen became equal. Hydrogen correct. So carbon also okay. Now oxygen here. If you keep 2 before H, so it is belongs to hydrogen also, na? Oxygen also. Na? So oxygen now in the product also we got 2. Yes. So here we got 2. Then 2 plus 2 how much? Now it became 4. It became 4. Na? So what to do now? But oxygens how many are here? Only 2 are here. So here we can change 2 O2. Okay. If we keep 2 O2. So 2 into 2 how many? 4 are there. So it also correct. Now hydrogens how many are there? 4 are there. Na? In the reactant also 4. Product also we got 4. 2 into 2 4. And in the oxygen also 2 plus 2 4. So here also we got here 2, na 2 over 2 4. So 2 plus 2 4 are there, understand? So this is the way we have to balance the equation. Okay, write this one, understand? So this is the way we have to balance the equation. Now write for this and for this, and write this one also you write in the science note. Thank you students.